Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today we will discover unique and latest dining room decorating ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. The dining room is where we enjoy home-cooked meals, toast to good health, and host friends and family. To leave this room and its walls undecorated is a disservice to not just our home but also ourselves. So take a moment and think about what your dining room looks like right now. Is the space decorated to the nines, with curated decor from floor to ceiling? Or is it little more than a set of bare walls framing a table and chairs? If you're unsure where to start, these dining room wall decor ideas prove just how big an impact a few small details can make. Modern home design is one of the biggest trends out there. The term modern encompasses all kinds of aesthetics from the 20th century. But they all have a sleek, clean look in common. Rather than cover your dining room walls with decor, make the walls themselves conversation-worthy. Stick with a monochromatic color scheme for your walls. You can instead add dimension and texture with unique molding or panels. For the best results, your dining room walls should be almost completely bare of decor. Hang a large, abstract piece of art to serve as the star of your dining room design. Or mount a round, minimalist mirror on one wall. From industrial to Art Deco-inspired modern dining room decor, statement light fixtures are a must. Use eclectic sconce lighting to frame artwork, doorways, or windows in your modern-style dining room. Be sure to coordinate these fixtures with the room's chandelier. Even in a formal dining room, rustic farmhouse decor is one of the most inviting styles to choose from. Contemporary farmhouse decor draws inspiration from the modern design movement, as well. So if you want to emulate that style in your own home, be sure to keep your dining room wall art simple and minimalist. We tend to think of shelves as functional before decorative. But they actually serve both purposes quite well. Floating shelves are the big trend right now, and they do look great with a wide variety of design styles. Bookshelves of any kind also work well repurposed in the dining room. Before installing shelves on your dining room walls, know what you'll be displaying. Even if your motivation is primarily functional storage, mix in some purely decorative items as well. Try to pick aesthetically pleasing items to store on your shelves, such as cookbooks, wine bottles, and dry goods. Natural wood shelves contrast nicely against white walls. Built-in or floating shelves painted the same color as your walls will feel like they're barely there, allowing the decor displayed on them to really shine. If you have a wall dividing your dining room from another space, add shelving to make it more visually interesting. This is a great compromise for anyone wanting an open floor plan but with a supporting wall in the way. Your furniture options are not limited to a dining room table and chairs. Placing a cabinet against a blank wall can make the space feel more put together and offer additional storage within arm's reach of your dining area. Choose a piece of furniture that fits your existing dining room decor. There's no limit to the possibilities. You can even expand your search outside of dining room furniture to include things like vanities, dressers, and desks. Corner cabinets can conserve space in a small dining room. Wall molding has a reputation for being old-fashioned and often over the top. But you can use this decorative element in an extremely subtle and contemporary way. Chair rails, paneling, and wainscoting can bring to life an otherwise monochromatic dining room wall. Another great strategy is to use an accent color for the room's wainscoting. Coordinate with matching decor above against a white wall. Again, this allows you to explore the use of color on your dining room walls without weighing the entire space down. Your dining room wall paint might be the canvas of your design, but the artwork and decor you place on top of it will really bring the space to life. Antique paintings and prints can bring an enchanting touch of the past to a dining room wall. The same is true for vintage china, which you can mount on a wall just as easily as display in a cabinet. You can repurpose old signs, as well, rural street signs for a farmhouse look or urban signs for industrial decor. Don't hesitate to mix wall art from a variety of sources. Abstract and pattern decor is fine, not everything needs to be ultra-personal or detailed. Include functional elements like clocks, mirrors, and floating shelves throughout your dining room wall design. You can create a lovely contrast with light-colored artwork hung against a dark wall. Don't forget about the versatility of wallpaper, peel and stick decals, and tiles when planning out your dining room's wall art. Accent walls have been on trend for years now and are a great way to liven up a small space. If you want to include an accent wall in your dining room decor, determine the back wall of your dining room. Generally, the wall opposite your dining room's main entrance is the best one for this project. A mirror is an excellent piece of decor that suits any design trend. Mirrors can even make a room feel larger and brighter. Use mirrors to bounce natural light from your dining room's windows throughout the rest of the room. With this technique, you can essentially double the windows in your dining space without any of the construction. If you enjoyed these beautiful dining room decorating design ideas, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Have a joyful day ahead. Thank you. Enjoy the video.